রেকর্ড తీసుకోండి
Is your Venerable Professor Sandor Rinpoche, guest of honor, the Speaker of Tibetan Parliament in Exile, Honorable Khenpo Samang Tempel, officiating Sikyong, Minister of the Department of Education, Mrs. Kalam Dharma,
要给我决定了，马上去推进联系组合作的学生堂，你我谈过了，要决定就推出了，推出今天现在是多少的，先过了行，相对来说，技术的电视堂，这个虚拟跟在比例蛮大几个，同时根本起不来，不就不是的。
The anniversary celebrations today mark 64 years of TCV's service in the field of the world and the school staff members who have contributed so much to TCV's work. We pause and give our deepest thanks. It is fitting that a student is bearing the national flag, symbolizing the continuity of the Tibetan struggle from generation to generation. Alongside the Tibetan national flag, we have Master Tenzin Tenzin of Class 12A bearing the Indian national flag, symbolizing the continued and lasting inter-Tibetan friendship. At a critical stage in Tibet's history, India has provided TCV has a tradition of maintaining a top-notch. And Ms. Tenzin Gyaltsang, all responsible student leaders will play an important role in the smooth functioning of the school. The house requests Master Sunam Sampo and Ms. Nawatami, Mrs. of House. House have a group of 64 students, each bearing a green banner with the TCV logo in the center. TCV is now 64 years old with 984 students and 166 staff members are present. The Class 12 contingent is led by Ms. Tenzin Sela. The class slogan reads, "Interdependence is the essence of world peace." The contingent is led by Ms. Gyaltsang Pema. Their banner has the slogan, "Harmonious World."
学这个课我们编辑到是第一阶段，为系第一课。如今我们这个这个课，我们一起来做的规矩。但是这个，那我是听过去。
그 결론에도 자다가 중화지 ramne 신루로 실루니도 니슈답시 다와주베 제일 작품 부르 김디 우이니 미루리고 거에 두제 차발제 풍제 대고 그 토마 거기장 외청 부초라 무슨 의자 의도 수대